YouTube, what's going on? You might have seen how my van looked earlier, beginning of the video, and I pretty much want to let you guys know I'm still out here, still busy. I'm actually now headed to Marcona to pick up some parts. One problem I've been having with sometimes is calling and not getting through, and I'm like, man, I need to get my parts, and they'll route me to their main number, but I don't need to order any parts or anything. I just need to pick up my stuff. They need to put it outside. So yeah, that's another. It's always something gonna be some type of issue when you change how things go. So that's how it is. So I'm headed there now. Hopefully I can get my part in a timely manner and not worry about taking too much of my time. So what's up, guys? What's going on? Hopefully all you guys are doing good out there. I'm still working. Shout out to my guys. If you're a little slow, it's gonna take some time. Sometimes it might be. That's the thing about it. It's like to me it's week by week. Sometimes it's going smoothly. Everything's going the same. Sometimes on Fridays I'm booked out till maybe Tuesday, Wednesday. When it's normal, when it's really going, I'm probably booked out till like Thursday or so. I'm never really booked out a full week because I always want to leave space to add in COD calls. Always, pretty much. But it seems like this week has been one of the busiest weeks during this whole situation that we got going on. So yeah, I was doing at least 7 to 8 calls every day this week. Like I said, sorry about all the pictures I don't put up no more. It's just having gloves and with the mask. It's like I'm truly trying to be in and out of people's houses as much as I can and not take too much time. But I'm gonna try to keep up with them. So, but that's just how it goes. But really, I wanted to talk about if you're kind of slow and you don't have any work coming in and you signed up with warranty companies and stuff like that. The only thing I can kind of tell you to do is to go back, reevaluate, try to search for some more companies in your area. It's like a continuation on last video. But on the side note of that is because an update on the Yelp thing. We did it for like a day or two, and it just wasn't worth it. And once we cut it off, it was like we started. We're getting the same request from Yelp for free without paying for it. So there was no point to pay for Yelp. I forgot your name, man. Shout out for leaving a comment about the Yelp 2 not being that good. But I also told my wife about Facebook Marketplace, and she started messing with that. We just got to work on it more. She got frustrated and let it go. Me and her were supposed to do a video. We were been supposed to do a video, but timing and making sure we get the timing right. There's a lot of stuff we want to cover. She actually presented it to me that we should update that one. There's a lot of stuff we didn't cover in that one, especially to do with the office type of stuff. Because it's one thing when you're a one-man show and you're kind of doing it on your own, but there's certain things that you got to implement when you're doing it on your own. And shout out to TC Appliance Repair Gil. To me, Gil has one of the best systems because it allows his customers to call into the website. Actually go on his website and set up their own schedule. So instead of him missing a phone call or trying to schedule a job, he can do it from the website. It's a lot of things he can probably do from the website that I'm missing or key features, but that in mind sticks into my head because when I was on my own, the main thing was missing calls and scheduling people and remembering the schedule that I wrote down wherever I wrote it down at. So, that's a good system. It's a lot of, and also, I guess nowadays, with the rise of this virus and pandemic, he was showing me too another thing about diagnosing issues through video chatting. I guess I would say minor issues, not major issues, because that's, for our industry, appliance repair, I don't ever think we can be replaced by robots. We have to have the hands-on take things apart, and there's situations where you don't know what you're getting into with any appliances. So, but at least maybe you can have a video and you can see something visibly. Oh, hey, this is what it's doing. Oh, here's the code, blah blah. I think that is an innovation in the industry, but at the same time, it's like I'm a type of person where I have some old school ways about myself. I haven't gotten in. I don't even do the electronic invoicing still, so I still do everything paper invoicing. So I have to upgrade that eventually. But the reason why I haven't, because I still get customers constantly that thank me for having a paper invoice. I mean, all the time. Like I said, I'm in Florida. I have a lot of older customers, so they value having paper rather than checking emails, because a lot of them don't even check emails or even have an email address. Most of them do, but they don't even remember it sometimes when I'm trying to type it out to send them, their payment information or something like that, So, yeah, it's my whole thing is, when starting a business, I guess any business, there's always a plan and preparation and, a foresight that you see when you want to run your business a certain type of way. And implementing my wife was a big deal, and I keep bringing her up because this year in particular, she has stepped up our company, especially through all this is going on. Like I said, the service call got raised. She's starting to put promotions out for people. So pretty much, I guess, what the best thing is like, my service call was $85. She raised it up to $95, but then she put on the website, you get a $10 off, during all this, so it's ways to do certain things as far as marketing, and a lot of us are technicians and not marketing people, so that just is what it is. Some of you guys are good at both, or even more at business. Me, I wasn't the biggest business type of guy starting my business. I knew how to fix things, so I did things the right way, the best way I knew how to start my business. But sometimes you need somebody in your corner to help you, to at least give you good advice, because there's a lot of times when I'm thinking I'm doing the right thing and she's like, no, you need to do it this way, and I'll think about it, I'm like, okay, you're right. So yeah, to me it's essential be getting a team. But I don't know, when I talked to Brandon the other day and on the TMM on the when I called in, it was like, yeah, I have to take that next step. But the only thing that's holding me back from taking that next step is my mindset and the willingness for me to hire someone. I get a lot of times people to ride with me. The reason why I don't is somebody wrote in the comments too, is it's time. I'm trying to still build my business on how I want things to go. And also too, another thing too, and my wife put this in perspective for me, because even though I want to help everybody out, or help people out in general, I don't say everybody, but people in general out, is that people riding with somebody, she's like, well, if they ride with you, they got to work with you for at least 2 to 3 months. I'm like, because at the same time, people riding with me is not really benefiting me unless I'm sending you out there on calls after the fact, because it just doesn't make, I'm just helping somebody else. It's not really helping me. So that's another reason too. So it is what it is when it comes to that situation. I have to dwell on that more and see what I really want to do. I actually enjoy doing it by myself with my wife, and having the freedom to say, hey, like today I was walking out the house, I'm like, today's like one of those days. I'm like, man, Monday, I'm not working on Monday. Take Monday off. And that's just that. I can just do that. Push the jobs to work. But, I'm the type of person where if I get CODs in, I'll work on Monday. No warranty jobs for Monday as of right now. But CODs, I'll fit some CODs in. That's the thing. You got to get those COD calls, because if you don't, a lot of times, people are just mainly calling around. Unless you have referrals. Unless you got referred, that person got referred to you, usually they're calling around. But every referral that I've got and scheduled out maybe 2 to 3 days or whatever, I've always kept that customer because they got referred, so that's just usually what it is. And if they have a good experience with you over the phone, then they're gonna stick with you. So like I said, for me, having that phone was very essential. It changed my business around a lot. I used to miss a lot of calls. Scheduling, all that used to mess me up. Now, that was my fault, I would say, because I didn't put the proper system in place to really, all right, if I'm driving, I get a phone call, what am I supposed to do? What I used to do sometimes, I would write real quick, or I would have my other phone and record what I'm saying and, you know, repeat the address and stuff like that in the time that I wanted to set them up to remember. But it's like, that's a lot, you know? It's a lot. So, all right, I'm pulling up to Marcone now. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on with their phones, but I'm gonna try to call them again. And just wanted to check in with you guys. Hope all of you guys are safe. And you know, thanks for all the people that subscribing, leaving comments. Man, you guys don't even really know how it makes me feel to even, you know, the little stuff that I'm saying sometimes helps people out. Because I feel like now, reason why I haven't made that much videos, like I said before, is that a lot of the information that I put out there, you can kind of just go back through my catalog and run through and see. Now I'm just putting out just, you know, I guess you want to say like vlogs of what's going on, how I'm running my calls, and I guess what's going on with me, pretty much, you know. Not to think that, you know, I'm pretty sure people care, but in my mind I'm like, nobody really caring. They know I'm all right. But yeah, appreciate you guys, and I'll be back with another one.